everyone. In the process of learning a subject, the most important and first step is to read the lesson, isn't it? In school, teacher makes us to read the lesson once before explaining. But at home, for the students who find it difficult to read the lesson and for the differently abled, we are introducing audio textbooks. These will help you to listen and read the lesson while going through the text. Our state government has provided us with PDF of the textbooks. So let us start reading the lessons. The fourth lesson in our English textbook is Tenali Paints a Horse. Let us start reading the lesson. Tenali Raman was a poet and jester in the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions that follow. Characters: Raja Krishnadevaraya, king of Vijayanagar; Tenali Raman, poet and jester in the court; first courtier, second courtier, third courtier, fourth courtier. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. Raja: That is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these. Artist: Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your Majesty. Tenali: I do not think they are such good paintings at all. Raja: How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Tenali: For one thing, where is the outer side of these two men? We can only see their one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Raja: What an ignorant fool you are! Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. Tenali: I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. Raja: I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I'll give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artists. Tenali: I agree. After a month, I'll show you a better painting than that one. The courtiers start smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtiers angrily and walks out. First courtier: You have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he is the smartest person in the world. Second courtier: He has really painted himself into a corner. I would like to see him get out of that one. Raja: I wouldn't be too certain of that. He is really very clever. Scene 2. A month is over. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. Raja: So what do we do today? First courtier: Sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his painting. Raja: Where's he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. Second courtier: Perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the days. Third courtier: Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Raja: Well, I can't wait any more. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bet and the bag of gold. Fourth courtier. It's only fair that if he doesn't make good his boast, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. First courtier. Indeed, yes, I agree, sir, that he should. Third courtier. Ah, there he is. He seems to have brought it, but it is covered with cloth. Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lifted the cloth to display an empty canvas. The painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few green lines at the bottom below it. Tenali. Good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. Hmm. I wonder if I should have the reins trail like that. Raja. What's this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make a fool of me? There's nothing on the canvas. Tenali. Well, you are the one who told me that we had to use our imagination when we looked at paintings. Imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas grazing at some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner. Raja. You old rascal, you have got the better of me. Minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom.
Like, share, and subscribe our channel.